Hi there, crafty friends. Welcome back to Mixify Crochet Ideas, your go-to spot for fun, fresh crochet patterns that spark joy in every stitch. Today, I'm thrilled to guide you through making this adorable mini crochet sun hat keychain. Picture a tiny, whimsical pink sun hat with a pop of purple trim and a sweet bow, perfect for jazzing up your keys or gifting to a loved one. What I love most about this project is how it combines simple single crochet magic with a touch of color blocking for that extra charm. And it's super quick to whip up without any fuss. Ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing make. You'll master basic increases, seamless joins, and attaching hardware in no time. Stick around for the full step-by-step tutorial, and by the end, you'll have your own mini accessory ready to shine. So, snag your hook and yarn, let's dive right in and get those creative fingers moving. Wow, look at that. Your very own mini crocheted sun hat keychain, all finished and fabulous. Whether it's dangling from your bag or tucked into a gift box, this little cutie is sure to bring smiles wherever it goes. A huge thank you for crocheting along with me today. It means everything to see your makes come to life. If this tutorial sparked your creativity, hit that thumbs up button to let the YouTube algorithm know we love sharing these ideas. And hey, since Mixify Crochet Ideas is a brand new channel, your subscribe would make my day. Join our growing community of stitchers for weekly patterns and tips. Don't forget to tap the notification bell so you catch every new upload fresh off the hook. Got a snag or a question about those color changes? Drop it in the comments below. I'm here to help troubleshoot. Plus, tell me in the comments what mini accessory you'd love to see next. Your suggestions fuel the fun. Thanks again for hanging out, and remember, every loop is a little victory. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one.